So there is no governing law ethi ama-awards kumele yenze lokhu
Okay.
nalokhu. Yes, we have had promises ukuthi umuntu uthe waphiwa lokhu wangatholi, waphiwa lokhu wangapheleli and stuff. It happens. But
Yebo, njengoba ngichile ukuthi today I have the one and only Mdu 7. He's an introvert.
Sivan.
Oh, Savan. All right.
Sivan.
Sorry, my bro. Mdu Savan. And today we're talking a lot of things. Yo, I'm shows, what happens, what's going on. Mana ngakhuluma.
Khuluma chomla.
Khuluma. All right. Melele mina.
Melele challenge.
Mdu 7 man. Mdu 7. Hey.
Uchomlonza mshaya. Uchomlonza mshaya.
Sorry, my bro.
Jackie, that's a very old question.
Okay.
Mdu Sivan. The moment you say Mdu Sivan, the moment you Google Mdu Sivan, you got all your information. Ask me deep questions. Let's get on it.
Okay.
Everyone knows Mdu Sivan. Asam.
Okay.
Stop with this old school journalism.
Ngikhalela the new generation abangakwazi ukuthi ngiba where you started.
They actually know me more than the older guys.
Who's the older guy?
For example, Lenny.
Okay.
Everyone who's been in the industry since 2005.
Okay.
Coming up. Because ngakazi DJ my club at the school. So I've been there.
Okay.
Older guys know me. 2000s know me even way better because my social presence is very big.
Okay.
So let's get on it.
This brother. Ngathi kuzoba controversial la. Ngani kulo muntu uyachawa umunye umuntu la. All right, I know. I think I have umbuzo obviously ongani futhi it's a bit, journalism like journalistic.
Can you stop with this old school?
This show is sponsored and is powered by Jeggy Culture. What do you do, my bro?
I'm a music producer. I think I'm an art enthusiast.
Okay.
Understand? I'm so deep into art. I don't only do music. I do music in film as well.
Okay.
I do a bit of acting.
Okay.
I do a bit of comedy, and lately I've been doing lots of animation. I'm still learning.
Okay.
So I'm an artist.
Okay.
With no specific title. Understand? I can be an actor. I can be a comedian. I can be anything to do. By the way, I'm a sketch artist as well. So anything to do with art, anything to do with creativity, I'm that.
Okay. So basically, you're an introvert.
And no, I'm not an introvert.
No.
Not an introvert.
Okay, so you're an artist.
I'm as loud as it comes.
Right.
And you could bottled up. I'm not some psycho hidden in some bedroom.
No, you go get it.
I'll go get it.
All right. No, I'm feeling long. I'm trying to, because I had a direction. Maybe funny podcast lay humping a corner, but I feel like you came here prepared.
I'm always prepared, actually.
So everyone should be prepared.
I want the challenge. Let's get on it.
Okay.
Okay.
So as of lately, which shows are you involved in? Like you said, because you're a DJ. I mean, I know you as a DJ. Growing up, I've heard of your name, Nkula. I'm a 2K-ish, but I'm not 2K. In the 90s, so party, 90s to 2K. Yes. So I've heard about you. So I just want to know, which shows have you been involved in, or even now?
I've been involved in everything to do with house, really, ever since Wabulawayo, starting from Abokon. Though it has its own founders, but I believe I played a big role.
Okay.
I've always been involved in projects that push producers, local producers.
Okay.
Though it's unfortunate, I've been pushing lots of house music.
Okay.
So current projects that I'm involved in directly,
Mhm.
it's Imatopo Gin Fest.
Okay.
I guess you've heard of Imatopo Gin Fest.
Okay.
There was this something strange.
Okay.
Then obviously there's projects like Cabo Garden of House. I call
Yes.
them projects because
Okay.
it's not just about making events.
Okay.
It's a whole movement that promotes even our local brands, t-shirts
My
and
t-shirts
stuff.
and stuff.
London.
Okay. Okay.
So we are actually interlinked in all
Okay.
these things now.
Okay.
So you find fashion guys, you find, like for example, I have a friend who has a security company,
Okay.
Troy Gideon Security.
Okay.
He does security for events.
Okay.
And ngontanga bethu.
Okay.
So it's a whole lot of industry.
Mhm.
esikhona.
Esikon.
So I'm involved in everything
Okay. That's interesting.
to do with the arts.
Okay. Okay.
Though there is some projects which I'm not directly involved, but I only provide certain services.
Okay.
Be it DJing,
Okay.
be it equipment wise,
Okay.
maybe for example, into Zama podcast.
Okay.
I'm so big into podcasting lately.
Okay.
Angazi, it's an obsession esengila.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm involved in everything.
In
bruh.
everything.
Everything to do with art.
Okay. All right. What do you think about the current situation in the industry of Bulawayo? What's lacking? What are we doing? Has it gotten better or is it's getting bad worse?
I would like to believe we're living in best times, Gatesi. It's gotten better. Konkiani ukuthi we're seeing lots of emerging talent. Kulabo Bila.
Yes.
There is Noluntu Jays.
Yes.
They're doing very good.
Okay.
The past 10 years, wakungekho khonokho, it was
Okay.
always complaints after complaints. We've got even some of the older guys coming back
Yes.
with a different perspective with industry, you understand?
Okay.
So I believe we're in the right direction.
Okay.
If we keep this momentum, trust me, 2030,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
we're gonna see a shift in this
Okay.
whole industry.
Okay.
I know we believe Uti Harare has everything.
Yes.
Yeah, kule mali la, nikhona imali la.
Yes,
The
okay.
corporates are there.
Okay.
We're getting for example, esikhuluma ngohlalani kahle.
Okay.
They are sponsoring projects. Kulabo King's Pharmacy.
Yes.
They are sponsoring all
projects.
these things.
Yes.
They are sponsoring artists.
Yes.
Kulabo, there's this try what suit, signature suit.
Yes.
Those guys
yes.
are
Yes. They dress some
bafake
artists.
imali.
I've seen them.
There is our Sky is 24.
Yes.
There is our Proton. The
Yes.
list, Mr. Singwa.
Okay.
The list is endless,
endless.
bruh. But
Okay.
now it's the approach.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
When are you a professional or you're just someone who sings in the bathroom? Says studio, releasing
Because it's gone too blind.
so
You've
blind.
made
And
it. Yes.
there is a whole industry behind the scenes.
Okay.
There is networking, there is management,
Yes.
there is marketing,
Yes.
there is advertising.
And that's what I want us
there
to
is
talk about. That's
sponsorship.
what I want us to
Yeah.
talk about. That's what I want us to talk about.
Yes.
Yes. I know, I'm feeling. You know, no, you know your business, bro. And mina, we got you here today because I want you to, you know, the upcoming, because I want to even Bonalaba that I established, they don't know. We know how to brand themselves, how to network, who to talk to, how to get to these shows that you're talking about. So first, I think in Telugu was would say, how can someone be involved? Because I see a lot of shows are big. And I'll go back to Deep House first. You know, I have a question because my shows are blind. It's mostly DJing, Garden of House, all those that you mentioned, and then the other one that
bigger-
you yes,
yeah, bigger
yes.
shows
So
currently.
why is that?
First things are from the word upcoming.
Okay,
Mtukudzi once said, Oliver Mtukudzi,
Mhm.
there is no such thing as an upcoming artist.
okay,
Meaning,
okay,
you're born with that talent.
Okay.
You're never upcoming.
okay.
Rather say up and coming. You understand?
You're schooling me.
Yeah, you're born with that talent. Uyiphiwe nguNkulunkulu, depending on what religion you believe.
I'm a
in.
Christian.
And so, utuku,
Mhm.
there is no such thing as upcoming artist. So, you know what that does? It
Mhm.
tunes your mind. Mindset yakho utu, okay, if I'm an upcoming artist, as long as I get $1 from a show, which means I'll always be an upcoming artist. But mind you, reach yako, even if you're not making that $1, but reach yako sikhulile. Are you still an upcoming artist?
No.
But the way that word has been portrayed to
Mhm,
us,
mhm.
yes, boxer in a way.
Okay.
So it's the attitude, it's the mindset that needs to change. Seeking investment for ama shows.
I'm a shows.
Kudala wakuthi umuntu engabaloku i-sound system
Yes.
useyi-promoter senza ama-shows but
Okay.
you don't look at everything that's involved
Mhm.
behind the scenes.
Okay.
So they started that. Bahlala phansi, they started a beautiful thing.
Okay. Okay. So how does one get involved? Ba scout now for the best DJs right now at the time. What happens? How does one get involved? Because I have a lot of guys that I know that are not upcoming artists, up and coming. Yeah, once ngikhuluma that one.
So how do you get involved?
Yes.
You have power in your hands, Gates.
Okay.
Ule phone, you have social media.
Yes.
We have setups like these, and so many boys, so many young lads, and are doing my podcast, Lani. You've got access to the internet.
Yes.
So first thing, brand yourself. Understand? Chi mentality yokufungufakwa. Brand yourself, put yourself out there.
Okay.
Ukotwani is currently the biggest DJ Gates.
Yes.
Have you noticed Wenzan? He's always putting out mixes. He's doing short clip videos as recorder.
He's marketing himself.
He's
content.
marketing himself.
We are in that
age.
He has market.
He has market.
Okay.
Those guys bakukhanyela, sikuda bakukhanyela. Understand? What I but low blind.
Unless, yeah. So
babe low blind.
Okay.
Low blind.
Okay.
Who's built early following yakhe following yakhe but ngasifuni following yakhe kumele simenzeni simbuke simfake ngale.
Okay.
So it's not rocket science.
Okay.
It's you being out there, brand yourself, package yourself proper. Uzabona bakudopa uphela. It won't even take you a year.
So selinikile ama tips marketing, branding yourself. Make sure you use that TikTok. TikTok is ukubukela ama videos kuphela, like you said.
Yes.
TikTok my bro. What makes you unique, bro? What makes you have a a mentality ukuthi, because I can tell ukuthi ungumuntu lana okwazi ukuthi ufunani in life. And I'm sure ukuthi music yakuphilisa.
Music yakuphilisa. I'll always repeat that. What it takes, you question oyibuza.
Yes, my bro.
What it takes understanding ukuthi into yakho awusoze ube le competition, even though competition is healthy and mina oyenza music imphilise, it's my niche.
Okay.
That's what I'm unique.
Yes.
And in a way everything focus on my niche. I'm not focusing on everyone else.
Okay.
That's why I'll never have a hit song. I don't want a hit song. If one of my songs happens to be a hit, well, we can say but whatever project any keeper, I'll always make sure it brings back something through my niche market. Okay. Understand that? I'm unique ngoba ngenza deep house.
All right.
My kind of deep house is different from everyone else.
Okay.
And so zengithi, okay, sorry to use
no, it's okay. It's okay.
Example.
It's okay.
I know it's respect.
Yeah, this is a Bulawayo show. So
Kateso Squetch is our biggest hit and everyone else ufunga uyenza. Yes, it's okay. And for me as a DJ, it's okay. We will continuation and DJ. It's okay. It's a challenge because we order.
Yes, like probably the same genre.
If you're to make another hit, ehambelana lo mali yesgweja, add your unique element. Unga copy word by word, note by note. Though I can't say word by word, by note by note.
Okay.
But add your own twist. In music, vele yonke khona emhlabeni ngathi siyavela somewhere else. You understand? We're just recycling old stuff.
Okay.
So just add your own unique twist to it.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
I'll give you a perfect example. I once had a situation where unkosazana daughter. There is this woman who lo babalwa.
Okay.
Basically, but blind, but different bonke. Unkosazana daughter blind ngetone. Obabalo yavamba ama notes. Uma who voice projection yabulala. You understand? Bonke abantu labo there are 3 unique artists, but blind bonke. So it takes that depth of understanding. Uthi music imenjani, istructure njani, iyenza njani for you to be unique.
Okay.
So enye into eyenza abantu besileke it's lack of knowledge.
Yes.
Though akhona ama online classes ongafunda khona music, but people are just lazy. They are using AI the wrong way. They're using social media the wrong way. Understand that? It's not ukubukele ithwabu kuphela ku social media.
That's why we're here to get you, my bro, because bengwazi ukuthi uzobela le information that will help the next generation to get to the level that they need to get to. So okunye bemfuba was like you said, uthi khuluma nge-marketing, khuluma nge-branding, bemfuba was okay fine. Mina manje I'm an up and coming artist or DJ.
So right, so
I'm an up and coming artist DJ. And I'm trying to get to the next level, because I'm feeling an industry. Don't you think there's gatekeepers?
There's no such thing as gatekeepers. When you have internet, when you can post even ulele, even you say toilet.
Yes.
So there's no such thing as gatekeepers.
Okay.
Gatekeeper ngakuwe efonini yakho le account yakho.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So That was the question.
Yes.
As an up and coming DJ, what do you play?
Okay. Oh no, not me. Bembuzela for bembuzela banye. Yes.
But still, it's the same. What do you play?
Okay.
Suppose ukhawukeluthi ukhabza udlala amapiano is doing la.
That wanna play. Yes.
What if you try ezinye izinto? But yes, I think there's only 2 DJs abadlala ondolwane and stuff. You understand?
Yes.
Imagine ungazisukela uyefila bus uyedlala irumba.
Okay.
Uye Cholochi edlala irumba. Uye Lupani, uye Nkai lani. Uthowa nje around Midland. Usiyafika kubo Falls ngale. Don't you think you make your mpu?
You will.
You will.
So
when ufungena industry yona lana flooded, everyone else is playing amapiano. Everyone is playing amapiano. And there is way better people already in that spectrum.
Okay.
But ufunga uziminyezela kwamba. Understand?
Okay.
Enguchoy.
Okay. So basically saying find your unique style, find your niche.
Find your niche.
You know, train yourself, use your phone. AI for it. So yeah.
No, you can use AI.
Yeah,
use it to your own advantage.
I want to know something. What do you think about AI and it being involved in music?
AI is a blessing to us.
Okay.
That's why I always say it's how you use something.
Okay.
Let me put it this way. Mina, I was fortunate enough qalisa music early 90s. I was still a lighty.
Okay.
Primary school.
Okay.
Music ayisarekhodwa ngama-keyboard. Kwakusarekhodwa kwakulama-card ayifakwa kuma-synthesizer kudala. Yayenzwa njalo music. Then kwabuya o-Cubase, kwabuya abo-FL Studio lani. You know what the older guys would say? Look how say music, look.
Yes.
So we music yama loops, auntie.
Yes.
Then so we AI.
Yes.
Auntie. Guys my age, so look at school music lani. But already ekuqaliseni music yayitshwa ngama-drum.
Yes.
Erekhodwa kuma-gramophone.
100%.
Understand?
100%.
So embrace technology. Know how to fuse it technology with your own natural self.
Okay.
Uphumelele phambili. You would complain. Lama DJs are complain. Hey, kudala mina ngaqalisa ngama-vinyl. I used to play vinyls. Zakuthumezela ama-picture. I used to play vinyls. You understand?
Yes.
Wabuya ama-CDJ.
Yes.
So we are my controller. Now there is even AI DJ. You understand? But because technology yamuva ayimeleli muntu ayimeleli ama-OGs.
Singabi
ignorant. Ama-realist.
Yes.
Uyasalela emuva lokhu yenza ubumbulo. Technology is moving. Lathi sayithola vele isimuvile. Kudala kwakuhlatshelwa ngomlomo. Even ingungu was technology.
Yes.
I believe when music started, our birds inyoni ziyahlabela zihlabela ngani? Ngomlomo.
100%.
But there is birds now that use sticks. That's music to attract a mate. Understand?
Yes.
So that's technology to the birds as well. So umhlaba uya-advance.
So
even animals are advancing.
Yes.
Indwangu khathesi siyathatha isigodo ifake emlindini wani wama-termites.
Yes.
Uthi yasikhotha so ifake emgodini wama-termites. So kugada laphana. Sikukhipha sikudla ikwini. Is it not using tools?
It's using tools.
So yeah.
Okay.
AI is a tool.
Okay.
Know how to use it.
Ngoba for instance, I never learned music theory, and I can only play basic keys. So I found this other AI plugin.
Yeah.
Where when I play keys, I just take it in ifai kopa and then sincheli key, and then in FL balengi.
FL 25 to be
yes,
specific.
25.
Yes.
FL 25.
I know my thing.
Yes. So only pattern ulapha ibizwe langu khona I think I don't think angila ndaba lalo, but it helps me mina ngibele ndaba lakho. So kule pattern oliklikhayo and then it puts you in a key. So every key that I'll be playing now, it'll be in key. You understand?
Yes.
So abantu think mele sigadete sisahamba.
Ngiyazi into etshoyo ngiyokenza ama scale.
Yes.
You're always in your scale.
100%.
Let's say nxa kungu G major or G minor.
Yes. Okay. Producers tips. Lama tricks.
I know bro. Angibali
dog.
Ndotasabe dude.
All right. No as in ngile mbuzo and imbuzo le amfuni ibe too controversial. Okay. Do you think ama artists akobulawayo are ignorant?
They are very ignorant.
One hit, I don't want to say one hit wonder, but one hit now umuntu se feeling ani they've made it.
I think it's a very important feeling.
Okay.
Why so? It keeps you moving.
Okay.
But umntangabale one hit, ese feel big.
Okay.
That's when you need a third hand.
Okay.
Sifiki mbamba sithi mfana nxa suyenza so.
Okay.
Sesihamba so, sesihamba ema office lawo. Give an example ngeHarare.
Okay.
iHarare, everyone is discovered the one hit.
Mhm.
Remember, wasibona umuntu uyaza okay uEnzo.
Okay.
uEnzo had one hit.
Mhm.
Bamthatha anti.
Mhm.
But okay, isitayela sakho isesiyenza yani.
Okay.
Let's produce ngesitayela sonini.
Yes.
Bapusha anti. Uyu tani what smart inotangira patsoka watu wathi. You understand?
Mhm.
It's one thing vele ephonga utshintsha amabala anti.
Okay.
Badla ngakho wazabalani le grounding
Mhm.
solid.
Mhm.
Then from there he started doing many projects lan.
Okay.
So okuyenza abalapho bengaphumeleli
Mhm.
thina ama-Grootman and other older Grootmans kulathi
Okay.
abalandela nto umfana bembambe ngesandla bethi hayi isitayela sakho lesi siblind.
Okay.
Okay mina ngile resource elinjani
Mhm.
asikuyenze uchaye 2 3 4 songs ngesitayela sona lesiya.
Okay.
Nxa sesi expire lawe sunjani
Okay.
sukhwela ngesitayela
Okay.
esitsha. That's all we need.
Mhm.
So yes, they are ignorant. At the same time, it's a duty for abadala to guide abantwana.
Okay.
Ukuthi okay, sihambe so lan.
So basically you're saying ukuthi akula support. Aba support.
The support is there.
Mhm.
The support is there, but outreach yankhona yesilekhaya.
Okay.
There is too much support kobulawayo,
Okay.
but ukuthi we reach the right people. That's why I'm going back to my point. Ukuthi
Okay.
kuswelakala umuntu lwana ozafika mbambe ngesandla. Understand?
Okay. Mhm.
Mina, if a boy comes to me, I'm supporter
Okay.
to an extent engikwanisa khona.
Okay.
And it's up to him or her to
Okay.
decide ukuthi okay, umuntu lo ngizamlalela
Mhm.
or into ayikhuluma ngiyazwisisa.
Okay.
In most cases it's laziness. You understand that? Abantu abanengi bacabanga ukuthi ngingayenza hit things will fall
Mhm.
automatic
Mhm.
and then they become lazy.
But that's when you need to work
But
very
awunanzela
hard.
ukuthi uzufike ku hit lana work hard.
Yes.
So continue with that hard work.
Yes.
Asikuthi sufile.
Okay.
Mina, I've achieved a lot. I won't lie. It's
Mhm.
not a secret.
Okay.
But I've never stopped working.
Okay.
Like sixoxa earlier bengutshela
Mhm.
ngithi yes, fame sekuyanilocate
Okay.
but I don't care.
You don't care
fame.
about fame.
I-career yami le direction engifuna iye khona
Mhm.
and i-career yami ngifuna ibe yi-legacy to
Yes.
my own kids. Understand?
Yes.
Angifuni ukuthi umuntu wayeblind wathe sifa lani lani.
Okay.
So I'm building things ukuthi even lami ngaba lo mntwana othi I want to get into music,
Mhm.
i-resource likhona.
Likhona.
At time I want to do farming,
Okay.
i-resource
Likhona.
likhona. You understand?
Okay.
So that's my career pathway.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngifuna ihambe so.
Okay.
Rather than ngibe famous, ngithi ngithi ding ifele fame
Le
yami.
fame yakho. Alright, and the right
You
people
understand?
know you understand, like abantu because
Yeah.
uyawulanda wale fame. So as long as usuphakathi, they know ukuthi umuntu 7 we need him for this, like you said, like sometimes
Dusavan.
Dusavan. Unchaya nje.
Awushaya.
Alright.
Igongo leli liyakutshaya le.
Yeah, ngile nama sake sawina okuyinama I'm sure bayabona la sake sawina inama lapha. So we're working.
Funny fact, yours I've never won an award.
And
Ezim.
why?
Angazi.
Bakuzonda.
Hayi abanzondi.
Are you not out there? I was my kid. I was brand.
Okay, I'll give you my open
Yes.
opinion.
Okay.
I've always despised ama-awards ala.
Mm.
Though I've been nominated izikhathi eziningi entweni eziningi.
Kulama BAs akhuluma ngakho khona.
Ama-BA.
Eh.
Oh, that shame.
Okay. Okay. Why say that, my bro? Why?
I feel like you need to research
Okay.
before keep using.
Okay.
There is too much information with internet.
Yeah. The streets are confused.
They are very good.
Yes.
They are very good awards.
Okay.
It's a good thing for
Bulawayo. Yes.
But still research uphela.
Okay.
I feel there is lots of young men
Mhm.
deserving. Bekhipha amaxhegu wonke la labo goga abagcwele lapha lokhu beba nominated. There is smaller boys that are doing
Yes. Way
good
better.
stuff. You understand?
Way better.
Yes. Like ngizawubuza example.
Okay.
Who's the highest paid artist in Zimbabwe? Who's the most touring artist in Zimbabwe, Gates?
Okay, the most touring. There's this guy othiwa le Coldplay. If I'm right. Shona. What's his name?
Kulo
Okay.
dear column.
Okay.
From
Yes.
Burnside.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Guy is the highest paid.
Okay.
More than no Winky T, more than no Chapraiser.
Okay.
But how many people know him?
A few.
Before even
Yes.
go to Night Freak. You understand?
Okay.
Inobuntu isitho umhlaba wonke ukedlula any
Any
other
artist
band
in Zimbabwe.
in Zimbabwe. You understand?
Wow.
Kula wonsingize emnyama.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
But do you know all that information?
No, we don't.
So yeah, let's start there.
Okay.
The reason why in city I'm 50-50 on
Okay.
the
Okay.
You understand?
So our research, because
They don't do their
I
research.
felt like Babele list already maybe. I allegedly I'm saying that, but I felt like even the streets, but about Babele list Babele. So what on the submit it was just a way of making it, feel
Unfortunately, it's always been like that with awards,
Okay.
even world over.
like okay.
Like I'm saying, I've been nominated a lot in Zimbabwe,
Okay.
outside of Zimbabwe. You understand? It's always been like that.
Mhm.
But into yetu, as
Yes.
supporting, but as supporter, let's be truthful about it. If we pambanisa, spatching type, lapho lenze kwaba too much.
Okay.
You understand?
Mhm.
Because such points are for growth.
Okay.
You understand?
Mhm.
It's not to look at ukuthi nominate ukuthi ngithola ama-bookings. You understand? I'd rather be truthful
Yes.
ngento engiyenzayo than ngibe lihlazo nje.
Ngoba I feel like ama awards to each generation ekathesi ngani they are way important. So I felt like abanye baba demotivated when they see, because I remember kulenye category that most talked about hip hop, where most rappers are like, how Luchi Shiki, she doesn't even rap.
Yeah.
You understand? But why is she who category ele rap? Understand? And then kulo pose uthiwa nguBreezer. Why is he nkulumane mani, you know that?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Yes.
Kuthiwa insimbi zegasi.
Insimbi zegasi, you understand? And you look at his views and lamanye even ama local artists, you see what he's skyscraping and he's been doing.
But mind you,
yes.
Also it's not about views, and
yes.
It's about the content.
Mhm.
Uhlabela ngani, the reach, and yes, some of you see reach and stuff.
Okay.
But I get your point
Mhm.
and I understand. You understand?
Mhm.
So Lami, I felt that boy deserves.
Okay.
Bengimkhangela igrowth yakhe,
Yes.
ukwenza kwakhe, his style, he's more us.
Yes.
He's more Bulawayo.
Yes.
He's more street
Yes.
than most rappers I know.
Okay.
You understand?
Mhm.
So I feel he deserves, but well, so kwenzakele singaze sichinge singaze siyenzeni.
Yes.
I-decision ka-judge is final.
It's final. Ngoba mina nizama ukuthi, because people out there they don't understand how awards work, and now I think you have some information like okwamambuzo ngibuza ngayo uphendule and what you're talking about. Ngoba anti ama-ABA akaba lo mnyaka ayeqo wona 2 years 1 year.
Hayi so lesikhathi.
So lesikhathi selesikhathi ahlale engayenzi.
Engayenzi.
So mina I feel like alright amaxhegu la deservile kathesi babemele be nominated before, but unfortunately isikhathi sawo sasingafikanga, so baphonga bafaka kathesi. Don't you think so?
Okay, i-answer yakho ngiye-answer mbuya nge-Endle kaMadlela.
Okay.
uMadlela, I feel like he had a valid point. Uthi hayi, but the guy elingamnominatanga is relevant now.
Okay.
You understand?
Mhm.
What if it happens a quitter next year? Don't you feel like you would have let down a talent blind?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I've done things before awards were there. Big things, and
Okay.
but angisoze ngikhale ngithi but mina ngangisenza so I've played for 10
Okay.
hours, I've raised the
Okay.
funding for i-cancer
Okay.
and
Okay.
It happened and I moved on. It served its purpose. You understand? Yikho kule lifetime achievement award. Uthi okay, but uchomlo ngesikhathi esachisa maybe wangabi lento le asimbongi. You
Okay.
understand?
Mhm.
So I feel like first thing first, yes, it's a registered organization. I'll say organization,
Okay.
but it's in a private sector. You understand? So umthetho uyavuma uthi ube le award ceremony yakho.
Mhm.
I-National Arts iku-approve yenzeni lana and
Mhm.
but there is no law that says kumele uyenze lokho.
Okay.
If you say ama-awards ami ngokunika abantu izindlu ubanika anti,
Mhm.
that's what you promised anti. Yikho kwenzakalayo. So there is no governing law ethi ama-awards kumele yenze lokhu
Okay.
nalokhu. Yes, we have had promises uthi umuntu uthe waphiwa lokhu wangatholi, waphiwa lokhu wangapheleli and stuff. It happens.
Okay.
But you have to understand that's a private award. Ayisikho ye-National Arts. And
okay.
so they are not mandated
Okay.
to build facilities.
Mhm.
In case that arises, it's their choice.
Okay.
Okay. Thina sesifunga ukuyakha i-arts center,
Okay.
sifunga ukuyakha i-youth center. So silayazele arts council, silayazele lani
Okay.
ukuthi sinjani siyakhe such a facility.
Mhm.
So you need to understand ama-BAA
Yes.
ayisikho government, ama-BAA ayisikho national arts.
Okay.
You understand?
Private.
But they are affiliated and approved
Yes.
by National Arts.
Okay.
So I'm a BAA Bulawayo Arts Awards and afokasa ngokurecognize achievers in the city. You understand? Yes. Kungaba le mklomelo kungaba le prize ehamba lo mklomelo.
Okay.
But ayisiko duty yabo.
Okay.
I need to understand me proper. Ayisiko duty yabo uthi bewuniki 500.
Yes.
When they can give you recognition. Mind you, recognition is a currency.
Yeah, cool.
It's a currency.
Puts you out there. Puts you out there.
So they give you recognition liana. It gives you isisindo la ukuthi nganominatwa kuma BAA. But now it's up to you as an artist to do a continuation. You understand? For example, Mrs. K, bamniki stand.
Okay.
No one can wake up and give you a stand. It's up to you now ukuthi uziyakhele. Asuthi nxa unika stand so mele uyakhele unless if they have it on black and white okay sizawunika i-stand uyakhele. You understand?
All right.
We don't know the contract but a stand was pure sasibona.
Okay.
So as much as I complain about our BAA, I'm very clear on their path.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So let's not be ngabantu labanu ukuthi siyademanda izinto singakwazi la uyavunyezwa uqasa ama awards akho mind.
Okay.
Kulama influencer awards London.
Yes.
I-National Arts it gives you that space yokuthi uqalise into enjalo.
Okay.
So don't make a mistake of being entitled to ama BAA. So mele yenze so mele yenze so. No.
Yes. I know you
understand?
Yes.
So let's be clear about that. Yes. Gwagulama Skies Metro Awards.
Okay.
They would give artists something. They'll give them recognition and stuff.
Okay.
That's all they could do. But it's a contribution to the art sector.
Yes.
Understand? So let's appreciate that contribution. At the same time, be clear, the knowledge on how things work, on how things are structured.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, profound answer. What do you think about the industry elapha koBulawayo compared to eHarare? Ngumbuze mfuna ukukubuza. Do you think kuyahambelana? Do you think kuyafanana? Do you think siyasalela?
In terms of creativity siyafana but ubusela bethu buchiyene.
Okay.
Ngale it's not a secret ukuthi some of the artists are funded.
Okay.
Ngobusela okunye I won't talk maybe in protection of podcast
okay.
I won't go there.
Okay.
But we know the truth.
Okay.
At the same time
directed you can go there.
You can go.
Yes.
Yeah, we know some government lokuza are funded lokuza artists and even though they are not pushing message build abantu.
Okay.
We know ukuthi kukhona.
Okay.
Everywhere it's like that.
Okay.
In states sasikwazi ukuthi this whole rap thing yaqasi fundwa ngama drugs.
Yes.
Then we had big corporates abebefunda lana so that black people can kill each other.
Yes.
So that the black communities bulale. So they've been funding abantu promoting music ema drugs and stuff, violence, understand? So kunjalo. The creativity yafanana everywhere.
All right.
But there is cases of propaganda as well that affect locals.
Yeah,
there's a problem locals. Yeah. A location as well.
Okay.
Like for example, I've always stressed to Bulawayo is very multicultural.
Yes.
So you would never expect Bulawayo to be like Harare.
Okay.
Because Harare and it dancehall is very big.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Isungura is very big. And which language dominates Harare?
Shona.
It's Shona language.
Yes.
So it's easier. Bulawayo is less Sotho, it's less Xhosa, it's less Ndebele, it's less Shona. Understand? It's less Nambia, it's less Tonga.
Yes.
Understand? We're multicultural. So we are already divided. Understand?
Okay.
So zineng ngikhohlela amakhalanga. So zineng amakhalanga abaningi belizwe. So zineng into ezenzakalayo koBulawayo. So you can't expect ukuthi a group of 1 million people abalelela izimdanso befanane le group of 20k people abalelela lokhu, 30k people abalelela lokhu, 100k people abalelela lokhu. You understand?
So basically koBulawayo, because we are multicultural and kulalaba babelalela maybe insimbi zezwana kulalaba lokhu balalela South African music, because I feel like do you think SA ile more ile influence eningi it Would like
okay.
we end up not even supporting each other because one artists, DJs, they produce music engineering essay, and people would rather listen to essay than Ibulawa because maybe Tenasila sound or we wanna be like essay.
Manguchasele in the
Yes.
simplest way.
Okay.
Yakumlingo mustimela segoli.
Yes.
That stimela segoli, it talks a lot about the culture yethu.
Okay.
Kwakule stimela esasithatha insizwa lapho ziye egoli. Ngazi ngale zazisebenza ema-mine.
Okay.
Kwakukhulunywa isipulane ema-mine.
Okay.
Kwakule music ombaqanga
Okay.
landana amo-gumbo dance and
Okay.
stuff. So chomlana babuya bephethe imali ezikhwameni anti sebehle esitimeleni la bebuya le culture yangale. That's what influenced the culture la. So into leyana ukuthi ochomlana aba-blind bebuya ngale.
Yes.
Wonke umuntu wayefuna ukuba affiliated la. Wayefuna ukuba njengawo.
Okay.
So that's why i-culture yegoli, ye-music yegoli, it's so influential lapho. It's deeply rooted, understand?
Okay.
So isitimela segoli solesiyana yisesasinjani esasi-importer istyle sangale. That's why ubona i-street culture yethu, i-street way yethu is heavily influenced yini.
Johannesburg, to be specific.
Yeah, to be specific, sorry.
Yes.
Influence lokuza. So
Yes.
you need to understand your history to understand really why abantu bakobulawa behave so. You understand?
And I think they lack that knowledge. They lack,
Knowledge.